Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Girl Swaggy, and today we are going, you know where we are going?
Yeah, we're going to the dolphin.
We are going to a dolphin
Yeah.
show. Yes, we're gonna watch dolphins and other animals.
Yeah, and then we go to the animals, and then we want to go to the dolphin.
Okay, so we are traveling today by car. We finally arrived, so that's how it looks. So our share picture with the owl door. Leah, look, this is a owl. Не, он это потом. Мы на обратном пути подержим. Ага, спасибо. And the picture with the monkey if you want.
It's an owl.
It's an owl and the monkey. See, this is the monkey.
What's that milk?
Oh, a lot of stuff for sale, but we need to buy tickets first. Yeah, we need to buy tickets first. So guys, those are our tickets, so we had to change them. I upgraded them, and now we have VIP and center tickets because you know what I'm saying, I want to see everything. I don't want to sit somewhere to the left or to the right and struggle to see the show. I mean, I came to enjoy, so I had to upgrade them, okay? Leo is begging something though. Чего, Leo? Oh, Leo wanted French fries. Oh, спасибо. Спасибо.
Водичку потом тоже возьмешь. Сейчас картошку.
So my mom bought me a milkshake. And Leo wanted a French fries. French fries are what they sell here. Sweets, 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 sweets. And all the people are waiting on the dolphin show. Not a lot of people though.
Сырный соус я вам купила картошки фри. Нормально?
You like it, Leo? Leo? You like it? You like French fries? So Leo just not in the mood because he wants to go down there to this upside down house. But soon the show will start, so I don't want to go there. Even though we have on our tickets our seats, so nobody can have them, but I just don't want to walk back and forth. It stresses me out, honestly. It stresses me out. I just came here for the dolphin show, nothing else, and to drink my milkshake, that's all. So guys, look at this swimming pool. So I guess that's where all the show will happen. Well, that looks nice though. And here is Leo with his French fries. He likes everything, and I love everything too. Oh, the man cutie.
Когда все собираются вместе, поют любимые песни, у вас тоже есть любимая песня? Споете нам?
Alright guys, so I think we are going home now. I'm not sure about the picture with the dolphin. Leo said he doesn't want. So guys, we came back home and now we are going again to the park, and it's a very beautiful park, so I'm gonna take you with us too, and we're gonna try to enjoy a lot of things because we have only 2 days left. So we're gonna try to catch it, because there are a lot of places to see here in Crimea, but because we are with Leo, so we with a kid, we kinda we have limited choice where to go because not everything, almost everything Leo will not manage. So we are going now to the park, and I hope Leo will manage there because you have to walk by feet, and hope Leo will manage it. But the park is very beautiful. Alright guys, so we arrived to the park. Look, it's nice in there. So we are going in, and the guy is stopping us. We need to wear masks in the park, like really. So it's really nice in here, but we had to pay for the entrance. So I paid like 800 rubles, so just double the price. So you will know Jamaican price. So just to enter the park, yeah, you have to pay. So I really love the place. It's just so nice. Let me tell you something. This is such a nice place. Look at it. It's such a perfect place for the photo sessions. Yeah, it's nice. I'm gonna take a lot of pictures here, a lot. So guys, for me, this place, every time we come back here because of the view. The view is everything. Leo! The view, the park is everything. Look. So it's such an amazing news that we can visit their beach. So we can actually swim here, and the beach is awesome also here because they take care of it. So after we are going to the beach and we're gonna swim, I'm so happy because the beach is so nice. And today we never had a chance to go on the beach because we were watching dolphin show. Leo always looking for adventure. No, Leo, you cannot step in.
Maybe. Whoa, look at this.
Look guys, lavender, a lot of it. It smells so good. Let me smell it. It smells good, but a lot of bees. No, Leo, move, bees.
Там внизу рассада, а здесь такое обзор. Видите, сколько шишек для вас? Вон там. Видите?
Да? Я думал, скажешь, какой муж молодец. Вставай туда. Вставай, вставай.
Лео, подожди. was looking at pictures though. I want to carry a real painting though, but I'm not sure if I'm allowed to the airport with the painting.
Нет.
Leo, look guys, I have real paintings though. Oh my god, this cat, I love it. I want it. That looks good. Okay, so they have even a hotel here. Okay. Maybe one day I will visit. Look at this elo. This is an elo. Giant elo.
А вырос такой огромный. Вот еще один большой, но тут-то больше. Видишь, тот больше, а этот меньше.
I just want to go to the beach and sleep. Too much walking. Errol, good thing you never went with me to Russia because you wouldn't be able to manage all this walk. It's just crazy how we walk a lot. You know, sometimes when I fall asleep, I just lay down on my bed and I'm just gone. That's how it happens here because we walk so much. And no, I don't need even extra running. I don't need no running. Just this lifestyle will be enough for me. But trust me, I'm kind of tired of it, honestly. I want to go back to Jamaica and just nicely move in your car with AC and everything, and max we walk to the playground. Oh my god, the sea is so amazing, the beach is so amazing. It makes me want to say I wasted my vacation time here by staying in our apartment. It's just crazy. I mean, I think it's even better if you book here even 4 days instead of like 12 days like we did, and you know, instead of just staying there in the apartment and walk like crazy, you can eat here whatever they cook. You can just walk out straight to the nice and clean beach and walk every day in that amazing park. I mean, 4 days it's enough. Yeah. So what you guys would stay 10 days outside or just book 4 days somewhere here so you just enjoy to the fullest 4 days? I mean, the beach here is just amazing though. It's clean and the water is just inviting. It's really clean though. The water is crystal clear. Oh god, I really wasted my time here though. So guys, the situation that they have like 5 or 4 beaches. Yeah, four nice parts where you can swim. 4 nice parts where the water is crystal clear and everything. But all of those beaches are for people who are staying here. So normal visitors, they have to go down there to beach number 5, and I think it's not that pretty, and swim there. So you deliberately feel like a piece of shit by walking there, and all those people from this place just chilling on the nice and clean beach. So I mean, here in Russia, I don't lie, it's how I see it. People who are not willing to spend a lot of money, because we pay. We didn't come here for free also. We pay about $20 for the entrance. So why they can't let us to swim with the same people who are staying with them? I mean, we pay for the entrance one time. We are not here for a week or something. Just one time we came in and then we walked out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So it's just crazy. Everything is so separated, and they will make you feel like if you're not paying, you're some like second sort or something. Look, so those are the beaches for people who are staying in the hotel. They are pretty and nice. They have like 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So we have to walk down there. It's like, yeah, people walk. Get out. And all of them, all those beaches are empty. I don't understand, honestly. I don't freaking understand. It's like nothing good for people who are not willing to pay a bag of money. You know what I'm saying? Or if you're paying a lot, okay, you will get a service. If you're paying a little bit, no, you will not get no service at all. They will make you feel like a piece of shit. You know what I'm saying? And it's just disgusting because the money that you have to pay for an okay service is not everybody can make those type of money. And the situation now in Russia, minimum wage and something, it's like only maybe 10% of people can pay big money. So others, they're second sort of people, and it's just so crazy, ridiculous. Like nothing for people middle class, nothing for people middle class. I'm not talking about people below middle class. Yeah, it's just crazy. Everything for rich people. Okay, you will enjoy your stay, but if you have your middle class money, I'm not talking about no money at all. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about if you have some money and you're willing to pay, but yet nothing for you. Yeah, piece of shit. That's how it goes here. Honestly, I'm feeling that way. You're still walking. It's so damn far. It's far. The word far is not enough. And look where we ended. We ended at the same beach where we usually travel with my mom. Well, at least this one is clean door. I would feel really sucks if this one would feel dirty. So guys, look where we are. We're gonna change now. Me and Leo, see Leo too. He wants to go to swim. Leo, you ready to swim?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna swim. So this is the little piece of the beach, and it's overcrowded. Let us finish our vlog today. So we bought some coffee.
Вот это яблочко, вот яблочко, яблочко, а это персик.
Yeah, I'm just
они
sitting
два
here
яблочка.
drinking my coffee, and I'm super tired. So guys, I hope you enjoy my vlog. So see you next time. Bye.